Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And here we are again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We were very happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, I will work very hard to give and share with you the most significant information and signals in interpreting the market using the chart through our technical analysis. Now, let's get started. Our week opener is started the week with a gap down opening at 6,300 and close at 6,218, forming a big bearish candle on a Monday. While on Tuesday, the market opens a bit higher at 6,259 and closes at 6,292, giving us with a green inverted hammer. On Wednesday, the market continued to move higher, opening at 6,307 and closes at 6,325, giving us a small green inverted hammer candle. Then on Thursday, the market opens higher again at 6,340, but profit taking persists temporarily and closes a bit lower at 6,330, giving us a red hammer candle due to sudden spike of newcomers as they see the selling pressure as opportunity to enter and ride the consistent move upward for 3 consecutive days already. And finally on Friday, the market opens higher at 6,334 with a massive entering of buyers that made PSE close at 6,408, which gives us a green bullish candle for the weekender. Overall, the market appears to fall below the current support area on week opener, but suddenly appears to be seen by investors as opportunity, which results with the slowing, moving consistently higher by the day and ending with a bullish candle on a weekender. With an impressive move of the market for this week, there is a chance that continuation of optimism will persist starting next week and probably attempt to recover and get back on track to continue its formation of higher low pattern. Now, let us proceed to our individual stocks, where the first on the line is Ayala Corporation. The absence of any significant news report that would serve as a catalyst seemed to reflect the pessimistic sentiment of Ayala Corporation stock for this week. Following our assessment last week, sustaining to maintain its position above the current support area of 543 will result in a possible consolidation and short-term bounce, which is exactly what the chart shows us. Next is Ayala Land. As we have mentioned last week, with Ayala Land sustaining its position above support level, the continuous share buyback program for the entire week made the stock move higher by the day, giving us a solid recovery move attempting to break the nearest resistance level with the consistent upward movement for the entire week. Now going to our banking sector, which is BDO. The absence of significant news report for BDO reflects within the chart movement in a sideways manner, making the stock confirming its pause and probably undergoing consolidation, which is just above the current support area. Now moving forward to Converge. Once again, as we have mentioned last week, should Converge manage to stay above its current support level at 18.3, chances are bounce is expected to occur and probably try to recover and climb back to its upward trend. Now going to Jollibee Foods. With the recent completion of its annual stockholders meeting this month, the chart continues to move on a consolidation mode. As we have mentioned last week, we expect Jollibee to continue to move sideways until new development came up that will help investor sentiment becomes positive. Now going back to our banking sector, which is one of the stock is Metrobank. While no significant news report happening for Metrobank, the stock continued to establish its new support area. Should it sustain its position, appearance of catalyst might keep the stock on track of its upward movement. Now moving forward to one of our holding firms, which is JGS. In the absence of any news report for JG Summit Holdings, the stock appears to try to bounce back of its upward trend with an inverted green candle at weekender. Should upward movement persist, we recommend to wait for the short selling pressure before entering a position that might as well enter at confirmed new support area. Now jumping back to one of our property stocks, which is SMPH. A follow-through share buyback program for this week and the 5.3 billion investment plan served as a catalyst for SMPH stock to move higher by the day for 3 consecutive days already prior to weekender closing. Should optimism persist next week, we expect a continuation of the stock going higher slowly or consistently and try to challenge the nearest resistance level. Now going to our one of the property stock, which is Mega World, and also this is one of our focused on stock. With our consistent focus on what is happening with Mega World, positive news report and new investment program serves as a catalyst for this stock to start attracting optimistic traders. As previously expected and discussed, we have recommended a slowly entering position at support areas. As we look at this stock appears to complete its consolidation movement and due for upward trend with an obvious breakout move at the weekender, which gives us a firm statement with a huge, solid, big, green bullish candle. We expect the move to continue starting next week up, which might reach to attempt breaking the resistance level at 2.36. So it comes as no surprise that we have predicted correctly the movement of this stock with various indicators such as MACD going up, the completion of consolidation, and the multiple bounce at this support area. Plus the fact that the alignment of moving averages are already almost complete except the 200-day moving average. With your continued support and visit to our channel, we presume that you also benefited from this breakout move by Mega World, as we predicted its move timely. You surely expect a minimum gain of 7% with a single day movement. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with the domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. Or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you on my next video. Ciao!